Morning light washes over the yard of a modern pasta factory. Trucks loaded with golden wheat arrive, lining up beside towering, gleaming silos. A worker steps forward, guiding a truck carefully into place. Hydraulic lifts tilt the bed, sending a shining stream of wheat down, dust swirling through sunlight. Engines rumble, conveyor belts whir, and the air vibrates with the steady rhythm of production. Nearby, another worker checks the hoses, ensuring every connection is secure. At a control station, a colleague monitors screens, tracking intake and silo capacity in real time. Another worker types commands into a sturdy control panel, adjusting settings as the process unfolds. No one pauses. Their focus is absolute, each task performed with practiced efficiency. As the camera pans from trucks to silos, the scene reveals teamwork and industrial precision. Here, the journey from raw grain to pasta begins, grounded in skill, coordination, and dedication. Inside the heart of the milling section, immense grinding machines thunder as they turn golden wheat into semolina. Bright industrial lights cast sharp reflections on stainless steel, and drifting dust particles shimmer in the air, revealing the motion within the factory. Semolina rushes swiftly through transparent pipes overhead, a visible stream that connects each phase of production. A technician skilled and attentive steps forward, sample cup in hand. He scoops fresh granules from an outlet and lets them sift through his fingers, feeling for texture and consistency. The camera moves in on his hands, magnifying every detail, while the symphony of whirring motors and pneumatic hisses fills the space. Here, precision and technology work together. Every sample checked, every grain inspected, ensures the transformation from wheat to semolina meets the highest standard before continuing its journey. In the heart of a modern pasta factory, tradition meets innovation. Warm white light glides across massive stainless steel mixers, their surfaces polished to a mirror sheen. Overhead, a cascade of semolina flour pours in slow motion, the golden grains tumbling steadily, followed by a controlled stream of pure water. The two elements collide, merging into a dense, glistening dough. The camera orbits, capturing every swirl and fold as industrial paddles knead the mixture with unwavering precision. Each rotation brings the dough closer to perfection, its textured surface shining under the factory's glow. A male operator stands by the digital control panel, its interface illuminated with glowing LEDs and intricate data streams. Focused, he checks every detail, the proportions, the timing, the temperature, then presses a button with practiced confidence. Through this careful process, each batch of dough emerges uniform and ready for transformation. The quality of the mix is crucial, setting the stage for shaping and drying steps that define the texture and taste of the pasta enjoyed worldwide. Inside the heart of the facility, a row of stainless steel dough resting tanks gleams beneath bright LED lights. Polished surfaces reflect the steady glow from digital screens and precision gauges, each monitoring critical parameters, temperature, humidity, fermentation time with unwavering accuracy. The quiet hum of machinery blends with the disciplined movements of the crew, all clad in spotless white uniforms. Male worker 1 carefully checks a gauge, eyes scanning for any deviation.
Temperature steady at 22. Fermentation looks perfect.
Nearby, male worker 2 records data on a clipboard, his notes ensuring every batch is accounted for and traceable.
Batch 84C, everything matches protocol.
At the next tank, male worker 3 scans a barcode, instantly updating the system's central database.
All tanks reporting green systems clear.
Their brief, efficient exchanges keep operations seamless. Here, technology and teamwork come together to uphold the highest standards of hygiene and quality, ensuring every loaf begins with precision and care. Inside a modern pasta factory, precision begins as trucks unload wheat into towering silos. Male workers guide the process, checking gauges and documentation. From here, conveyors deliver wheat to the milling machines, where male technicians sample the emerging semolina, adjusting valves for ideal granulation. The semolina enters giant mixers, male operators supervise control panels, blending water and flour until the dough reaches perfect consistency. Extrusion lines shape spaghetti and penne. Male workers inspect each batch for uniform thickness, cutting and loading onto racks. Long drying tunnels bathe the pasta in warm airflow, followed by cooling conveyors. In the quality lab, a male food engineer tests pasta for snap and texture. On the packaging line, male workers oversee automated sealing, and in the warehouse, a forklift driver readies pallets for shipment, completing the journey from grain to table. Late afternoon sunlight spills across the loading area of a modern pasta factory, casting long shadows on rows of stacked pallets. Forklift forks glide beneath a mountain of branded pasta cartons, their crisp labels catching the light. The quiet rumble of machinery blends with the rhythmic beeping of vehicles in motion. A worker pulls plastic film taut around a pallet, sealing it securely, while nearby, 2 colleagues coordinate, one maneuvering the forklift and another guiding a pallet jack into position. At the dock, Trucks wait in line, their trailers open. Drivers consult paperwork with the supervisor, checking each shipment for accuracy. The factory's logo stands out on every carton and truck, a mark of trust. With the final pallets loaded, engines start. Trucks roll out and dust swirls in the golden evening light. The day's work ends as every shipment leaves, the result of careful planning and shared effort.